What's up, y'all? We're back with another video. Hi, my name's Destiny. Welcome back to my channel. First I used this. What's popping up on my camera? I don't know what that was, but first I used this shampoo, and then I use this conditioner, and pretty much what I do is I wash my hair with the shampoo, and then I rinse it out, and then I put in the conditioner, and then I let it sit. And during that sitting time, you can do whatever you want, but because I was showering, I just showered while I waited. So it looks like this, and I haven't put anything in it at all. Like, it's literally fresh out of the shower. It's still like kind of dripping. I just kind of like patted it dry with the towel and everything. This looks creepy. I'm gonna close this. That's creepy. Okay, so if you're wondering why my eyes are red, it's because like I was in the shower and I got shampoo in my eye and it burned so bad. But yeah, my dad just asked me, he's like, why are your eyes red? He started going off. I was like, chill. I just got out of the shower. I got shampoo in my eye. I don't be getting high. I don't be smoking. I don't smoke. Anyways. Yeah, the shrinkage though. Like, my hair looks like literally 3 inches long. But like, okay, so I'm going to take it from the back. The back is like this, right? Boom. Like right here. Like the difference. Usually on my wash days, I would braid it just regular, like this, like nothing in it. I'd braid it, wait for it to dry, unbraid it, put in this Cantu leave-in conditioner. A lot of people have been saying that it's not good for your hair, but it doesn't break my hair out or anything, so I just keep using it because it makes my hair smell good and soft and all that, etc. So I keep using it because I like it, and it's not like breaking my hair off. If anything, my hair is growing longer. But anyways, what I was trying to say, usually I braid it, take it down, put this in, and braid it again, and then after, like the next day, I'd unbraid it and it'd be like a braid out. But I have somewhere to be tomorrow, so I'm going to just put this in my hair and braid as I go, and you guys can just watch me. Sorry guys, you guys didn't get to see the whole process, but I actually forgot that I had online school, and it was like 12:05, and I was like, oh shoot, I gotta log on, so I just put the camera up. But I finished, and that's what it looks like. I don't know if I would wear my hair like this, like out. I don't know. Maybe if I did it differently, you know, like smaller maybe. I don't know. But I finished putting this all over my head, and I braided it, and I went like as I go and everything like that. And then when I'm done with that, where is it? Okay. When I'm done with that, I put this in my hair. I have several of these, but they're like different versions. Like I have an olive oil one, a tea tree oil one, but I like to use this after I finish washing my hair. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So this is what it looks like. Has like a little tip, so pretty much I just go like that through my hair and on my scalp, pretty much, so you know my scalp isn't dry. And then after I finish like dropping it all over my head, I just massage it all in. My hair is actually still a little bit moist, not too wet though. I forgot to put some right here. After I'm done with that, then I take a little drop. How do I show you guys how much I take? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tiny drops. I rub it in my hand like this, and I just smooth it like on my head, and I just rub it through the braids and everything. It smells so good. So after I do that, I usually tie my hair with a scarf and then let it dry, but I don't exactly know where my scarf is at the moment. And I have another class at 1:30, so I think I'm just gonna not tie it with the scarf and just tie it when I go to bed and just leave it. And that's what my hair looks like on wash day, which is why I don't leave the house. That's the end of the video. Kind of short, very simple. I don't like to do a lot on my wash days because they're already so much work having to wash all this hair on my head. I just hate it. So I hope this was kind of helpful or whatnot. I don't know. I just wanted to show you guys how I wash my hair because a lot of people have asked me, how do you wash all the hair? And I'm just like, it's not a lot, but it's a lot. It's just thick, you know, it's just thick. So yeah, that's how I wash my hair. So I realized I did not show you guys what my hair looks like after wash day. So this is day 2, I think. Yeah, the second day. Is it day 2? Day 1? I braided my hair that night. The next day, day 1. This is day 2. So this is day 2, and these are what my curls are looking like, and they still look good, period. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe if you like this video. Let me know what other hair videos you would like down in the comments. Don't forget, don't unsip your crown because you're all that inside.